What is going on, YouTube? This will be my first ever motovlog, and I'll be entering the raffle for the Hyper Royal Jordan 1. What's up, y'all? Headed to Shoe Palace for this raffle. I think it's the way. I'm gonna go back up. I'm not sure. If anything, I could take the escalator down. It is such a beautiful day. I mean, you have got to love Hawaii. Just look around at the scenery. So beautiful. And y'all thought I was lost. See, I found Shoe Palace.
Hopefully it's a lucky vlog and you win. You know how to fill it out?
You need the
name, your shoe size, your phone number. So I don't need an address at all. One side for men's, one side for grade school.
Okay. Entry complete. Hopefully it's a win. You never really know nowadays with these raffles, so luck of the draw, literally. Let's head over to raffle location number 2. As a motorcycle rider, you have to be a defensive driver, meaning you watching for yourself as well as vehicle drivers. As you can see, this car barely saw me, probably didn't even look, and was ready to pull off. One of my favorite things to do on a sports bike is cornering. Really lean down in that curve and then accelerate on your way out. Comment down below what you ride and how you feel about riding. I love Hawaii. It's so beautiful, mostly always sunny. It's just very nice to ride and enjoy this weather. Felt like this light was turning yellow, but I was already in the groove, wasn't stopping. Then I saw the police and I was like, oh my goodness, he is definitely coming after me now. Hawaii is packed, okay? COVID where? And I know y'all see the gentleman right there with the cold one in his hand, crossing the street, living his best life, okay? How do you guys feel about these ones? Are you going after them? Is entering a raffle doing too much? Who remembers the historical way of getting sneakers, first come, first serve, sleeping overnight outside of stores? Yeah, times have changed. All right, headed to spot number 2. Let's see what goes on.
How's it going, Raffle?
Bow. Ticket number 2 secured. I'ma see what they talking about in foot action before I go home. Tables full of markdowns. Shocked to see the Carmine 6s in stock though. Hopefully there is some success here. I really like one, so this will be a good, and besides I never win raffles, so that'll be something new. It's time to head to the crib. Catch y'all on the next motovlog. Thanks for tuning in.